Um, your father tell you, said, I never want you. That's a lie. You know your father's there. And take you from me. Me beg, me plead, me ball. Pay me the mind. You can lie that I always want you. I never want to get in touch with Tony, because you know stay. You save her life and just leave her. But listen to me, Sean. Look at me. You was my saving grace. And for the 4 years we really have you, it was paradise. Cause at the first time, I feel like a mother. So make your father tell you foolishness. Who are you?
Oh, well, you come look for me and I just feel like say, I told you alone you really want to say, just have something against me and feel embarrassed to call me a son, man.
I want to understand that as a mother, it was hard for you to hide it and can't contact your children. You know all that is worst time of my life. We don't choose our family, but we have to work with what we get.
Sean, you want to understand, sir. You know where you got through. But the decision when you make, that's your decision. And you have to live up to them. Maureen, you might feel like you're not the best mother, but you're our mother. We can't do nothing about what happened in the past. We have to just fix it now. This, what I have to say, it's hard for me to say right now. But I just want this to fix first before I say it. And I wish it could have happened a better way. Sean, the gun we find by you have 2 body on it. Them are gonna charge you for murder. I want you to know, say, I'm not the end of the road. But if you do the crime, you have to do the time. And I want you to know, say, me and Maureen, I got day here for you. What time? Sean?
Sean,